Hello guys, this is my first video ever on my first new YouTube channel. So please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. Today's tutorial is on how to change the mouse pointers. To change the mouse pointers, let's go to settings. In the ease of access menu, click on that and go to cursor and pointer size. Here you see this kind of interface has appeared. So click on any of this row consists of pointer size and this consists of pointer color. If I want black, I will choose black. If I want semi brown green, I will choose this, and if I want large, I will select the option to large. And if you want to get again the default setting, so go to additional mouse settings. Additional mouse settings. A new window has arrived, naming its mouse properties. Go to pointers. In the scheme option, click on Windows default scheme, system scheme, and click on OK. See, default scheme setup has arrived again. So thank you guys for watching my video, and do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.